Hello everyone, it's Jira Bro back with another video, and today what we're going to talk about is customizing the customer portal on your Jira Service Management project. Now, when you want to see the customer part, right? Because they're like agents and they're customers. Like agents are actually the ones who are resolving the requests from the customers, and customers are actually the ones who are reporting and having the request. Now, when you go for the channels, and when you go for this second that says portal, this is the default look, right? This is what customers see. And it says what we can actually help you with: submit a request or incident or ask a question. So that is by the default. Now, if you go to your project settings, and if you go to request types, you can change these request types. So, alright, so in here, use Atlassian Intelligence the request types to create. Okay. Alright, so this is an interesting one. Alright, let's see here. Okay. I'm gonna type something in. So I'm gonna be using the AI. I work in software development team and I need to take care of the application issues. Alright, if I hit on go, right in here, what it says, I have like report a bug, request for technical support, request for code review, request for deployment or an enhancement. Right, so actually this is an interesting one. So I'm gonna be using create a bug. And when I create a bug, now I can actually change the icon here. It is recommended to actually have different icons for everything. So there's nothing really going on. So I'm going to choose this icon. And this is the issue type. It determines the workflow and fields that are visible for this request type. In here, you have like ask a question, submit a request, or the incident. So I'm going to be using the default one. Now, what it says in here: to hide the request type from your help center, leave all groups unselected. Now, usually, you won't be creating any actual groups, if I can say it like that. So that is the thing that you actually need to understand. So you'll be using the general group mostly. Nothing else. Alright, great. So we're gonna check the general. I'm gonna click on create. And when I click on create, I am actually redirected here to import my fields. Now, what I want to have is going to be an assignee. What I can also put in here can be like priority. I can go and say I want a description. Search all fields. Let me see if there is a field environment. Yep. Okay, so that is the one. And for the assignee, it says in here, well, it's actually hidden. And it's going to be hidden for a specific reason. So we're going to go drag it back down. So this is for the issue view. This issue, adding it to the request form will remove it from the issue view. Since this, what are you actually creating is a request form. That's why it's being That's why it's being hidden. So I'm gonna save the changes right here. Alright, so now when I go back to my service project, okay, and when I go to channels and go to the portal, there you go, now I get request a bug. And I have like description, summary, priority, and environment in here. Now, usually the other stuff that you can actually do is to customize the portal. So you can have the announcement in here that you can add. You can choose help center, so you can have like a login message, welcome to the help center, which is actually this one. Management, you have the announcements. Yes, you can put the announcements in here as well. So this is the name of the help center, right? So I can rename this and say Jira Bro Support, right? So now it's gonna be like this. So how can we assist? So that changes this text right here. You can add your logo, you can change the banner image if you want. Yeah, I can put this. So the banner should load now. There you go. This is from my screens video. So help center, banner text color, and banner background link. So that is this text right here. So I can actually adjust this, and I can change this. Also, what I can change in here is going to be this as well. So now I did this. So usually you can actually do this. So that is something that and that is how you actually customize the portal. All right. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.